Alright guys, so today we're gonna take out the screen for Galaxy S5. It's not easy at all actually, so we have to be careful when we take out the screen. We have to heat up the screen pretty good.
Do you have to take any screws?
No, there's no screws need to be taken out because the screen is stuck to the housing and there's no need to take out all of these screws, so you don't have to worry about that. So after you're heating up, you have to have tool right here and lift up and pry really gently. If you pry too hard, you're gonna break the screen, so be careful with that. Be very careful, very gentle with light hand, and make sure you don't put too much inside, right? It's gonna break the LCD. And very slightly just keep coming down like that and cut the adhesive. So if you see what I did, I laminated one of the paper. That's the best way to do it. Don't put anything very thick inside because it does not have big space. And you have to be very careful because there's a cable underneath. You can damage that cable. So be very, very careful when you're doing this. And you have to go 3 or 4 times at least. Same thing, if it's stuck, apply a little heat. So it's gonna melt the adhesive. Not too much heat, so try this out. Be very gentle and be patient, so you have to be patient with this. If you're not patient, you're gonna crack the LCD. And you can take this out, you don't need this. You just need this to lift up the screen. Keep prying, very gently, keep prying. And if you do from the bottom, it's better. If you cut the home button, don't worry about it. You can put the new home button in. It's not a big deal. Okay. You have to separate this very gently and very calmly. You have to make sure that you're not gonna damage the LCD cable.
Where is this cable?
I'll show you the cable in a second. Okay. So if you see this here, you take out this thing. Here's the connector. Gently take out this thing. And you can remove all the adhesives. And if you see the home button didn't get damaged, actually it should be fine, so you don't have to worry about it. Very simple. Alright, and let's test it now. If we break the LCD or not. The LCD is fine. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching the video.